Hi, today I want to show you this Logitech Harmony remote control. I bought it from a local shop, Office Works, and it's called Harmony 350, and apparently it supports 270,000 devices. And the main reason I bought this is because I want to replace my old Soundgraph IMON remote control. I have been using this over 13 years now, and you can see if I press this is the button still working, then the indicator is showing flashing light, but you can see the most used button, they are no longer working. And that's really sad that Soundgraph doesn't exist anymore, so I can't buy a new one. I hope this one will be able to replace it. Actually, it was good that Logitech provide a website. You can enter the device and check whether this remote control supported, and apparently it does. Okay, let's open it. To be honest, I hate this packaging. Usually I have to cut it everywhere and cut my fingers as well. But Logitech has done something nice. You can see it's pre-cut here, and here is already a hole. I can pull it out from here. Okay, it looks like this. What can I find? There's a instruction and so on. Small instruction. As you can see, you have to set it up over USB with a PC. And there's a USB cable, mini USB, and even battery are included. That's nice. 2 AA. Oh, very shiny. I don't really like shiny stuff. So I'll give you a closer look to see the material of the remote control. And here is some, looks like an infrared receiver. And here is the USB connection. I need to set it up first and try it out. So there was a problem in my screen recording. After I have done all the recording, I've realized that during the install of the application, my Harmony, somehow the screen recording stopped and it became black. Only the audio was recorded, and now I found out I have to start the recording software after I have started the My Harmony application. After you started the application, you will get the option to log on as Google or Facebook, or create your new account. At the moment, I'm using my Google login, so it will take a while for the login. So you can see I've added one device already. If I go to devices here, and Soundgraph IMON I've added, and now I just want to show you how to add a new device. So for example, my Samsung TV, and I already took a photo from the back of my TV, got the model number here, so it also show you how to get your model number. There's you have to go to the back and check at the label. So let's add it. Close this. The next one is there's activities, which mean I can add a kind of macro for the button at the top left. Basically, you can turn on many devices just by pressing one single button. Now I just want to turn on the TV and change it to PC input. So I just need one device. So you can say turn on TV and my PC input is here. So done. The next item is buttons. So here on this screen, you can redefine the buttons. I'm going to show you with the SoundGraph media player. On the left hand side, you can see the remote control. The blue one are unassigned buttons. I can assign new command by selecting assign from here. Click on the button and assign, or I can unassign a certain button as well. For example, this red one is already assigned. You can see the command here and unassign here. If I can't find a certain command here, I can add the command by clicking this here. So a command is basically the infrared information which is sending out from the remote control. If it's incorrect, you still can fix it by teaching the remote control the new infrared information. And if you can't find the command at all, then you can add a new one. And the quick launch is the one I have added. This is the big button in the middle of the iMon remote control. So for demonstration, I'm going to do something here, test, go to next screen. And this is really nice. You will see an animation showing what you have to do. Connect the USB cable to the remote control and then connect to your laptop. Okay, let me do it. As soon as it recognizes your remote control, then it will show you what to do next. So basically you grab your own remote control and pointing to the bottom end of the Logitech remote control, which I have shown you before. There is the infrared receiver here. You can teach it and it will confirm that you get the information, then it will continue. So I'm going to cancel here. One thing I want to show you, something very weird happened to me. The power button by default is assigned to shut down the PC. I don't really like that because I don't want to press the button by accident and shut down my PC. So I thought I'm going to assign something else, but somehow it doesn't take my assigned information. So then I totally unassign it, and you can see the command assign. Here there is nothing, no assign, then this is the power button. I'm going to show you later on. It's still turning off my PC. I have already posted the issue on the Logitech community. So let's go out here. And here are some favorite buttons, some channels. These are favorite buttons here. So it's a shortcut for pressing some number. I want to show you one more thing which is very interesting. I can assign commands which are not available on the original remote control. For example, I go to Samsung TV here. Whenever I want to change the input mode, I have to go through the menu and select from the list. But here I can get a command directly. For example, let me assign this button, say input TV, and the other one I want to go to my PC, so input HDMI 1, save it. Okay, since my remote control already connected, this one becomes blue. So I can sync the information now. Okay, 100% completed. This button is blue, finish. And it's done. Now I'm going to test it on my devices. So let's have a look whether it works. I think I need to press the device button first to make sure it's sending my TV commands. Now I press the on button. You can see there's my TV device. Okay, the TV is going on. I have to blur the screen, otherwise I've got copyright issue. Let's have a look. Try to use the favorite channel button. Press here. You can see this typing the number over there and change the channel. Let me show you the activities. I turn it off first. If I press the activities button, it should turn on the TV and change to the PC input. So you can see it's still active here. There's a delay. I have extended the delay for a little bit longer. Now you should see here changing the input here. Yes, now it's changed to my PC. Then it stopped. The delay wasn't long enough. I added 2 seconds. If I want to turn it back to TV using the original remote control, I have to press the source here and then go up and down, change to the other input. But I already defined the button here. So basically, I can go to TV by pressing this button, TV. I don't need to go through the menu and go to the PC. This remote control is even better than the original. Okay, the other thing is I want to try out my SoundGraph media player. I have to change the device to this button. Then I already defined this to launch the Kodi Media Center. So I have to pick my own video, otherwise I will have copyright issue again. So this is, and the important thing is I want to test the button here. I can pause it. That's great. And fast forward. Yeah, fast forward works beautifully. That's the point to buy this remote control. I want to fix the problem for the iMon remote. The last thing I want to show you is this power button. As you have seen, I unassigned the button. It shouldn't do anything at all. Now I press it. You can see. Okay, now you can see my PC is shutting down. I'm quite happy with the remote control, and especially the fact that I can even control something which wasn't available on my original remote control. And this also fixed the problem with my iMon remote buttons. I should have bought this much earlier. I hope you get a little bit information from this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.